How to see liked reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can see all of your liked reels on your Instagram account. Now before I move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed and also turn on the notifications for more informative videos similar to this. Now there is no separate section to see the reels that you've liked. You can see all of your liked posts, whether it be reels or videos or any post on Instagram, all in one place. Now to reach there, you can tap on the profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. After that, a menu will appear and you'll need to tap on your activity on the third. This section shows you all of the activity that you've done on your profile, such as things related to photos and videos, your interactions, your searches and other stuff. Now to see the liked reels, you'll need to tap on the interactions option and tap on likes. Now here you'd be able to see all of your liked posts, videos and reels. So that was the easy process on how to see liked reels on Instagram. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.